come hit the town with me and my brother and sister. We went out and went to catch the bus in Toulouse. We wanted to show the nightlife to Jack, and I never went out with my brother and sister together because he was 16 when I left Australia. So we went to the Arrosoir, which is basically a cocktail bar where they serve cocktails in watering cans. Everyone was having a good time. My brother had some mates coming and my sister had a girlfriend. I spilled stuff everywhere. My sister was doing it perfectly. We had a fair bit of food. Jack's ordering in French. Mathis was trying to show us a game where you're supposed to do exactly the same thing that he does. And it was quite hard, pretty much. And if you don't do it, you have to drink. And then the boys were in the bathroom. We don't know why. It started pouring rain. Of course, we picked one day to go out. So it was the day where it was storming out. Jack was showing off a little bit with the boys. And we went to the Café Populaire, which is like Popular Cafe, and had some drinks, some shots. They serve shots after midnight here. And then we got Dancing Jack. New level unlocked. Here's the slug. Here is the break dance. Here is this is l'Aviron Bayonnais. This is actually a French culture thing that they do in rugby, and yeah, it's Basque country. And this is the worm, and then he's making friends. Everyone's dancing, going to the club just before going to club, and then we went to the Purple, and I had a few more drinks, a few more dancing, a few more stress, and then it was over. And this is hangover food, croissant, and swim.